Good afternoon. My name is Bruce Ernest, and I am the Executive Director of the Moravian Music Foundation. I want to tell you about a great event coming to our community on December 16th and 17th. We will be having our first annual Christmas Fest. It's ChristmasFest 2022. And Christmas Fest will take place on December 16th from 5 to 10 in the evening, and on the 17th from 10 to 1. Now, this is going to be a wonderful opportunity to come down and have community. This event has actually been planned in the tradition of the European Christkindlmärkte, and there will be food trucks and music and games and snacks and things for children to do. There'll be tours of our amazing music collection in the vault, and just really a good time for everybody. It is free and open to the public. We'd love to see you December 16th and 17th here at the Archie K Davis Center in Old Salem, here in beautiful Winston-Salem. Our website has all the information. There's also going to be a special visit from Santa Claus. Again, there's something for everyone. We'd love for you to join us here for Christmas Fest 2022.